Myself Monisha, and my topic is operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform symbols, mathematic or logical functions. C language is built-in operator and provide the following types of operator. Types of operators are arithmetical operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, conditional operator, bitwise operator, special operator. Arithmetic operator are used to An arithmetic operator perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numerical values. And relational operator is a programming language construct or operator that tests defines some kinds of relational between two entities. In language such as C, relations returns the integers 0 or 1, where 0 stands for false and any non-zero value stands for true. Logical operators are used to evaluate two or more conditional. The and nor or binary operator, while not is an unary operator. Before we starting explaining operator, keep in mind that in C all non-zero values are considered as true. Assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assigning value to variable. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. This operand is used to assign the value on the right to the variable on the left. And increment operator are used to increase the value of the variable by 1, and decrement operator are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1 in C programming. Bitwise operator. In the C programming language, operations can be performed on the bit level using bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are constructed by byte level operand, while characters the bitwise operands. Logical counterparts. The and, or, and not operators. Conditional operator. The conditional operator is also a ternary operator. The conditional statement or the design making statement which depends upon the output of the express and conditional operator works on 3 operands, so it is also known as the ternary operator. Next, special operator. This operator are used to perform logical operations on the given two variables. These operands are used to either increase or decrease the value of the variable by one special operand. Thank you.